In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up the Dev Mode MCP server in Figma. By the end, you'll have the MCP server running inside Figma Dev Mode and connected to your MCP-compatible tool, so you can pull context from selected layers without leaving your design file. First, open your Figma file. If you're using the desktop app or the browser, make sure the file you want to work with is on screen. Next, click Dev Mode using the toggle in the top right. You'll see the interface switch to developer-focused panels, which is where the MCP server plugin is designed to run. Now, go to Resources. You can click the Resources icon in the toolbar, or press Shift+I on your keyboard to open it quickly. In the search bar, type MCP server and look for MCP server, Model Context Protocol. This is the official plugin that exposes a local server for MCP-compatible tools. Click Install. The button will change to confirm it's added to your account. This only installs the plugin. It doesn't start the server yet. Open the plugin from the Plugins menu. Move to the main menu, choose Plugins, then select MCP Server from the list to launch it. The plugin panel will open inside Figma. Click Start Server. The plugin will initialize and display a server URL and port. Wait for the status to show that it's running. If you see a local address that's expected, copy the provided server URL and port. Use the copy button if it's available, or highlight the full address and copy it. Make sure you include everything exactly as shown to avoid connection errors. Paste the URL into your MCP-compatible tool, such as Cursor, VS Code, or any client that supports the Model Context Protocol. In your tool, find the field where it asks for the MCP server URL and paste it in. Save or confirm the setting so your tool knows where to connect. Connect and test by selecting a layer in Figma. With the server still running, click any frame or layer in your Figma file. Then check your MCP tool to confirm it recognizes the selection. You should see the connection status as active, and depending on your tool, you may see layer information or responses that reference the object you selected. If the tool expects a selection, make sure something is highlighted in Figma while the server is running. At this point, the Dev Mode MCP server in Figma is set up. The server URL is added to your MCP client, and the connection is working with your selected layers. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.